Like, whoa. I'm a genius. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna pumpkin paint because I went apple picking and pumpkin picking recently. I'll put the vlog up here and in the description below if you didn't see it yet. But I wanted to pumpkin paint this year instead of carve because carving gets like literally everywhere and I have no patience this year to clean it up. I have my cute little pumpkin and I'm so excited. I'm so excited, but I'm so freezing, and it's kind of like I feel so lame that I'm doing this by myself. Like, you should be with friends while you're doing this, but I don't have any, so, but I feel like I should start by like going on Pinterest or something and stealing an idea. No, I never do that. I'm always so fun and creative, but I just don't know what I want this to be. I only brought black, white, green, and like burgundy wine outside because I figured if I brought out all the colors, I would go crazy and my pumpkin would look like too much. These are wild. Are you kidding me? This is so artistic. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of what I just saw, and that's not happening with me. So you came to the wrong channel if that's what you thought was gonna happen here. I might shut off the camera and think about it for a second because I feel like my brain is taking so slow right now and I want to do something so cool. Be right back for a short intermission. After a long discussion with myself about what I'm gonna paint this pumpkin, I'm so excited because I found something really cool. Oh, I didn't bring anything to put the freaking paint on. I need green. My pumpkin inspo is going to be inspired by all things unusual, I guess. Like how things aren't what they seem. How is everybody today? I wish someone could answer me back. Like, this would be way less lonely and way less pathetic. This is weird because I picked my colors based off of just like what I like. I mean, I have so much paint inside, but I picked these colors because I was like, oh, maybe I'll like come up with something with these. And it turns out that I'm coming up with the exact like color scheme of this, which is so odd. Looking good so far. I think this is coming out way better than I would have anticipated. Like, whoa. Oh yeah. do I make a mouth? I don't know how to make a mouth. I want to talk about something. What can I talk about? I don't want to show you guys what I'm doing until the end. Oops, because I don't want to spoil the surprise. But I feel like if you knew, you would be able to tell like what's going on. God, my girl has a receding hairline. I think you could tell what I'm doing. It's not like the most unique thing in the world, but considering my pumpkin stem is so long, I had to do it. Wow, I really love it. I feel like you guys obviously could probably get a little sneak peek of what it looks like, but I'm gonna show you right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't talk a lot or say much, but I'm just glad that I have you guys to chat with when I'm doing silly things like this. I know it's an after effect. It's like right at this moment I'm just talking to a camera, but it means so much more to me than that. If you liked this video and if you liked my pumpkin painting skills that I didn't know that I had, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween. Bye!